Tired of fighting overgrown hedges with the wrong tool? In this review, we're moving from the weakest pick to the strongest, so stay until the end to see which cordless hedge trimmer comes out on top. Coming in at number 5, the Workpro is the smallest and least powerful option in this lineup, but that does not mean it has no purpose. Think of it less like a full-size hedge trimmer and more like a detail tool for quick touch-ups around the yard. Its biggest advantage is how easy it is to handle. The compact body makes it useful for trimming small shrubs, shaping little bushes, cleaning up grass edges, and getting into areas where a larger trimmer would feel awkward. For light garden maintenance, it can be a handy little helper, especially if you do not want to pull out a bigger tool for a 5-minute job. The limitation is pretty clear. This is not built for long hedges or thick branches. With its short blade and smaller power system, it simply cannot compete with the full-size models in this review. Compared with the Craftsman, BLACK+DECKER, Worx, and Ego, it is much more limited in reach, speed, and cutting strength. So, who should consider it? If you need a small tool for detail work, garden edges, or very light shrub trimming, this one makes sense. But if you are trying to tame a real hedge, you will want to move up the list. Links to all products from this review at the best price are in the description under the video. At number 4, we have the Craftsman, a straightforward cordless hedge trimmer made for basic homeowner use. It is a simple pick for someone who wants to trim hedges around the house without dealing with a cord or a heavy gas tool. The 20-inch blade gives you a decent working length, and the 3/4-inch cutting capacity is enough for common hedge branches. Compared with the Workpro, this is a major step up because it is a true hedge trimmer, not just a small detail tool. It is better suited for shaping shrubs, cleaning up medium hedges, and handling routine yard maintenance. That said, it does fall behind the next few models. The blade is shorter than the 22-inch options from BLACK+DECKER and Worx, and the included 1.5 amp-hour battery is not ideal for bigger yards or longer trimming sessions. If you have several large hedges, you may find yourself wanting more runtime and more reach. This is a good choice for smaller yards, lighter trimming, and homeowners who already like the Craftsman battery system. But if you want a little more blade length and better all-around value, the next model starts to look more attractive. And before we move on, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you find this review helpful. At number 3, the BLACK+DECKER earns its place as a dependable light-duty hedge trimmer. It is the kind of tool many homeowners look for when they want something simple, familiar, and easy to use for regular yard cleanup. The 22-inch blade gives it more reach than the Craftsman, which helps when you are trimming wider hedges or trying to make long, even passes. The 3/4-inch cut capacity is right in line with other 20-volt homeowner models, and the wraparound handle makes it easier to work from different angles. Compared with the Workpro, this is in a completely different class, and compared with the Craftsman, the extra blade length is a real advantage. The downside is that it is still a basic 20-volt trimmer. It does not have the heavier cutting power of the top-ranked Ego, and it is not quite as light as the Worx based on the listed weight. So, while it works well for normal hedge maintenance, it is not the best option for thick, stubborn growth or long trimming days. If you want a proven cordless hedge trimmer for routine home use, this is a safe and practical pick. But if you want something lighter and a bit more comfortable to move around, the next option has a strong case. At number 2, the Worx stands out as the best lightweight 20-volt option in this comparison. It keeps the same general homeowner-friendly power class as the Craftsman and BLACK+DECKER, but it brings a very appealing balance of reach, weight, and usability. The 22-inch blade gives you good coverage for trimming hedges cleanly, while the 3/4-inch cutting diameter is enough for most ordinary branches around the yard. What really helps this model feel practical is its low, bare tool weight. In my experience, weight matters more than people think, because hedge trimming often means holding the tool out in front of you, lifting it, angling it, and repeating the same motion again and again. Of course, it still has limits. This is not the most powerful trimmer in the lineup, and it does not match the cutting capacity or premium features of the Ego. If your hedges are thick, tall, or neglected, you may eventually wish for more muscle. It is excellent for regular maintenance, but not the best choice for heavy-duty cutting. This is the one I would point most casual homeowners toward if they want a light, easy, well-balanced trimmer for normal yard work. It is a strong middle ground before stepping up to the most powerful model in the review. At number 1, the Ego takes the top spot because it is simply the most capable hedge trimmer in this group. This is the model that feels like a serious upgrade if you have larger hedges, thicker branches, or more yard work to get through. The 26-inch blade gives it the longest reach in the lineup, which means fewer passes and cleaner lines on bigger hedges. The 1.2-inch cut capacity is also a major advantage, giving it more bite than the 3/4-inch models from Craftsman, BLACK+DECKER, and Worx. Add in the brushless motor, fast cutting speed, rotating handle, and weather-resistant design, and you get a tool that is built for more demanding trimming. The trade-off is that it is in a heavier and more expensive class. For someone with only one small hedge by the front door, it may be more tool than necessary. Compared with the Worx, it is less about lightweight convenience and more about power, reach, and serious cutting performance. This is the best choice for homeowners who want the strongest overall cordless hedge trimmer in this review. If you want the tool that can handle the biggest jobs here with the least compromise, the Ego is the clear winner. Check the links in the description to see the top products from this review and compare the latest deals. And if this helped you choose the right cordless hedge trimmer, like the video and subscribe to the channel.